Hey everyone, so autumn's here and my kitchen is getting colder and colder, and I can feel the draft coming in around about the appliance area. So I just want to get rid of that, make my kitchen warmer, and hopefully stop any drafts coming in this area. So I've been to the DIY store and I bought a couple of things that I could use throughout this project. I bought some expanding foam as well as some flexible fillers. I've also bought some car sponges in case I find any big holes that need to be filled up, and I've also bought some duct tape just in case I need it. So I've gone ahead and pulled my washing machine out to check if there's any cracks and holes behind, and I have found some. I've then gone ahead and lit a candle just to make sure that those holes are producing a draft. And I have checked this in a couple of places, and as you can see it is blowing my candle quite a lot, so we do need to go ahead and block these holes up. Now I'm using expanding foam because it's the quickest and the easiest way of doing it, and also it'll expand within the hole and also make it more insulated. So once I had done the filling as much as possible, I did light the candle again to make sure that the holes were filled and the draft had stopped. And as you can see, the candle isn't moving as much, which means there might be some other holes in other places. I did manage to find a big hole under the sink, as you can see there, so I did go ahead and fill that up as well with the expanding foam. I also found a hole behind my dishwasher, and I went ahead and filled that with expanding foam, and I used some of the sponge to fill in the big gaps. So by the end of the project, my kitchen was feeling warmer, and I couldn't feel the draft that I was feeling in and around the kitchen sink area. So hopefully my kitchen should be warmer throughout the cold winters. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please click like and subscribe below, and any comments are always welcome.